Kidkot jangka Bodo National Students Union na Assam mentakasngi ke Iakynduh ia Umyntri Rangbah ke Meghalaya ukongrat sangma ha Shillong ban Iaphylliew Jingmut halor ban yadai yakahok jangkipat riulum kamtam ha ke baidai bat ke 6 schedule bat ke jingai Jingmut halor ke amendment bill ba shispa apusan ke bedangdon hapo ke jingatai halok sabha. Ubonjet Manjil Basumatri, President Jangka Bonsu Central Committee, Iakynduh ya barok kipat riulum ban yateli ke wei na ke benta ke jingsingan. Haga ni ke jingalang ke seng kala pa ya ke dorkas sya Umyntri Rangbah. Ha ke bala Iakynduh ya ba unshim kia halor ke ni ke jingdawa ke bala sateng la slem na ke benta ban penyo ya ki Bodo ya la ke jong ke jilla.
We are very happy here coming from Bodoland Territorial Council from Assam, and we just met our Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Meghalaya. So we have a fruitful discussion regarding the 6th schedule and the 125th Amendment bill that is going to pass in the Lok Sabha. So we have discussed regarding the rights of the tribal. So the coming the amendment bills, which that will be beneficial for us or not. So we are discussing broadly regarding that issue.